Here we are, week 14, the week before the final in human growth and development. So this week, your job is simple. It is to prepare for the final exam and to take the first portion of the final exam, which is the short answer portion. So as you can see, you have that due date it's in this week, but I put the post in last week to post your project to the collaboration board. You will also be taking the short answer portion of the final exam, and you can complete that final exam study guide for extra credit. The video I'm recording will be right here. The download for the final exam objectives will be right here. If you want to download those and write on it and take a picture and send it in on Moodle, that's fine. Or you can type on it and turn it in. So your activities, as I said, the final exam objectives, these are, please note, final exam. Here's another link so that you can download it if you didn't get it from the other one. This will be graded as extra credit. It will be added directly to your final exam score. You also have the essay portion of your final exam. So how I designed this is that its goal is to take some of the pressure off the objective portion of the final exam. You go into the final exam knowing that you have a certain cushion of credit so that you can be less anxious about taking the final exam. Now you'll notice that these all align with the objectives that go right along with the course. So as I noted, these will be aligned with the course learning outcomes. So out of that from the syllabus, the 7 outcomes that are associated with this course. So when you click on this link, it will open up the short answer portion of the final exam. I'm going to go ahead and change my share here real quick. So this is what you'll see when you click that link. And what I'm asking you to do is to utilize this space, and it can stretch farther. It's a Word document. So put in as much as you need to get your point across. Please realize this is worth half of your final exam grade. So you definitely want to put thought into this, because nothing is worse than going into the final exam knowing that you did not do this thoughtfully and completely. So you didn't get that full credit. Okay. So discussing research, theories, and concepts that are applicable to human development. That is one of the course learning outcomes. So in question 1, I'm asking you to describe one of the most valuable, useful, or important concepts that you learned in this course about conducting research. Okay, because research is all about theories, concept, and research. And then I'm going to ask you to apply that to your personal life. So in each one of these questions, that will specify which CLO they go along with. And there is one that has, I think, 2 that you get to choose between. So I want you to just make sure that you are answering the questions applying to that course learning outcome. I'm looking for this one to be, again, physical and cognitive development. This one is social and emotional development. So it could be any concept, anything you learned that is in this realm. If it is not in that realm, it does not meet that CLO. Therefore, it's not the correct answer. I'm not looking for a right or wrong answer. I'm looking for a thoughtful, complete answer that responds to the prompt. Okay. As you're working through this, should you have any questions, I am a resource. Please feel free to reach out. I'm going to go back to our course really quick and finalize the rest of this video. So again, this will be due the Sunday before final exams, and your week 14 tasks include preparing for the final exam and completing your short answer portion and making sure that you have that project submitted to the collaboration board. And again, the objectives, while they are for extra credit, they will be very beneficial to you as you take the final exam. If you have any questions regarding this week, the final exam, the short answers, how to post your collaboration board project, any of those, please reach out as soon as possible and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks so much.